Let's continue our discussion. So MCQ for Chemistry, Lesson 4, Scientific Discoveries, Fermentation Studies, and Their Impact on Medicine. Number 1. Which scientist is most closely associated with the discovery that microorganisms cause fermentation? Letter A. Robert Koch. Letter B. Louis Pasteur. C. Joseph Lister. D. Alexander Fleming. Number 2. Before Pasteur's experiments, many people believed that fermentation occurred because of A. Living microorganisms, B. Spontaneous generation, C. Oxygen reactions only, D. Heat from the environment. Number 3. Pasteur demonstrated that wine and beer spoilage was caused by A. Chemical imbalance, B. Excess oxygen, letter C. Microorganisms, letter D. High temperatures. Number 4. What important medical concept emerged directly from parts from Pasteur's fermentation studies? A. The theory of relativity. B. The germ theory of disease. C. The periodic table. D. Natural selection. Number 5. Fermentation studies help establish methods to control microbial growth. Which of the following is one of Pasteur's practical applications? Letter A. Penicillin production. Letter B. Pasteurization. Letter C. DNA sequencing. D. Microscopic development. Number 6. What did Pasteur's discoveries directly disprove? Letter A. Cell theory. B. Atomic theory. C. Spontaneous generation. D. Kinetic molecular theory. Number 7. The understanding of fermentation led to the improvement of which food preservation method? A. Freezing. B. Pasteurization. C. Salting. D. Canning. Number 8. Which of the following best describes fermentation? A. The complete oxidation of glucose into carbon and dioxide and water. The breakdown of organic compounds in the absence of oxygen by microorganisms. Letter C. The process of converting light into chemical energy. And letter D. The synthesis of proteins into living cells. Number Number 9. Which field of medicine benefited first from Pasteur's fermentation research? A. Surgery. B. Vaccine development. C. Genetic engineering. D. Pharmacology. Number 10. Who applied Pasteur's germ theory in surgical practices by introducing antiseptics? Letter A. Joseph Lister. B. Alexander Fleming. C. Gregor Mendel. D. Dmitry Mendeleev. Number 11. The discovery of microorganisms in fermentation eventually influenced the discovery of A. Quantum mechanics. B. Antibiotics. C. Vaccination schedules. D. Vitamins. Number 12. Which disease did Pasteur develop one of the earliest vaccines for? A. Smallpox. B. Anthrax. C. Polio. D. Measles. Number 13. The concept of sterilization in hospitals arose from the understanding that A. Heat kills microorganisms. B. Oxygen prevents fermentation. C. Spontaneous generation occurs naturally. Letter D. Microorganisms cannot survive without oxygen. Number 14. The delay of Pasteur's discovery would have most likely slowed the development of A. Vaccines and antibiotics, B. Nuclear energy, C. Periodic table of elements, D. Electric power. Number 15. Fermentation studies revealed that microbes are responsible not only for spoiled food spoilage but also for A. Evolution of species, B. Infectious diseases, C. Climate change, D. Human heredity. And the answer key for Chemistry Lesson 4, please proceed to Chemistry Lesson 5. The answer key for Chemistry Lesson 3, Scientific Discoveries, Pasteur's experiment against spontaneous generation is as follows. Number 1, B. Non-living matter can give rise to living organisms. Number 2, B. Louis Pasteur. Number 3, B. To sterilize and kill any microorganisms present. Number 4, B. It has a carved neck that traps dust and microorganisms. Letter B. It remained free from microorganisms for a long time. Letter C. B. Microorganisms grew in the broth. Number 7. B. Francesco Redi. Number 8. B. Biogenesis. Number 9. B. It led to the practice of sterilization and preventing contamination. Number 10. B. Pasteurization. Number 11. B. Dust and microorganisms. Number 12. B. Microorganisms already in the broth would grow. Number 13. C. Living organisms come only from other living organisms. Number 4. C. Sterilization and preventing contamination. Number 15. A. Pasteur's experiment showed that microorganisms came from the air, not the broth itself. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.